Hi everyone. Thank you for joining me today in the short sharing video topic. So for today, I want to talk about the source code quality testing and automations. So first of all, as you guys can see here, that in the modern software development flow, now a lot of people switching into the agile. For previously, they using the waterfall. But waterfall has some problem with timing and with resourcing or with the maintenance. So for agile, it helps us to split into the small cycle and speed up the development timing. So, but as you can see here, that in each of the testing, in each of the cycle of the agile, we have the testing phase. So agile now is the trending now and in the future. And in the agile, the testing phase need to be using to finding the problem in each of the small cycle. But as you know that mostly in the testing phase of the agile, people now care about the black box testing, like the functional phase test, post-release test, and integration test more than the source code quality testing. So, but as you can see in this model, that 80% of the bug can find down in the white box testing phase or inside the source code, inside the development testing. Only 20% it is the black box testing phase, in the functional test phase or performance test phase. And the cost for finding the bugs, it increase if we focusing a lot in the black box testing. So as you can see that we focusing more time for black box testing, we spend more time for black box testing, but we get less bug and we have the higher money to spend for the testing than in the development testing. So why we not checking the code in the development testing? Why we not doing the CPLAB? You can see the result if we're doing the CPLAB defect detection testing like this. We get more bugs, we get lower costs if we do that. And to do the checking the bug inside the code quality testing, we need to know what is the code quality. So the code quality is the way that people using the tool or manually looking to finding the problem is inside of the source code of a software project. There are a lot of definition outside there, inside the Wikipedia, inside the Google, we can see it. And source code quality, it also has the automation phase. Automation phase meaning that we're using the tools to help us how to detect the problem inside our source code projects in our software. Especially in some of the DevOps culture, we have a lot of the phase needs using the static analysis source code testing tool, especially the automation tool, like the coding phase, building phase, testing phase, and monitor phase. In PassSoft, we are providing a set of tools to help you to speed up the testing phase inside the source code quality checking. Actually, we have not only in source code quality testing, we also have a lot of tools inside the black box testing phase for functional tests, for performance tests. But I'm not talking about this in this topic. So as you can see that in PassSoft, we're focusing into the quality of the source code based on stability and security. So to help you get more clearly about that, I show you a quick demo on how our tool is running for source code testing. As you can see here, I have a project. Inside the project, it contains a lot of source code, so I want to do a source code review or source code quality testing to find out the potential problem in my project. I simply, if using PassSoft, I simply just select the project and select the PassSoft integration. In IDE here, I have the test configuration. This test configuration contains a set of rules to check the problem inside of the source code. Then I activate it, and it will do the scanning for us. And in our scanning, our PassSoft scanning, it will check the source code, each of the files of the source code, each of the methods or function inside the source code to see any potential problem or not. Then after that, you can see the violation here. You can see the finding detected here, and you can view it inside the IDE. And when you double click to it, you can highlight the source code. It can open the finding detail for you to check, to monitor the problem. I'm not talking too much about the tool here. I separate it in some other video. You can find it in my channel later. So this is just a quick sharing topic. So if you have more questions or want to understand more, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for listening and joining with us today. I'm Dick from PassSoft Southeast Asia.